Like January, that's for sure.
It definitely is, and it's going to get colder tomorrow and last through Friday. And then it looks like this cold air may even stretch into next week. Let's take a look out there right now. One of our coldest communities in Boone, where you can see the skies are turning a bit gray. And we are anticipating a little bit of snow on the ground here as we head into the nighttime hours in Boone. Current temperature is 43 degrees, winds out of the west-northwest at 12. We do have feels like temperatures already in the upper 30s, and that is going to be an issue as we head through the overnight, as those wind chill values will get down below zero because the winds are coming up. And we've got a wind advisory that does include our mountain communities, stretches up through Allegheny as well as Grayson and Carroll counties, and that is for gusts of 50 miles an hour, and that is from later on this evening until 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. We'll have to deal with those strong gusts. The winds are starting to get a little bit gusty right now, 25 to 30 mile per hour gusts in the mountains, and they're starting to change direction out of the west and northwest, which of course will make things a lot colder. Wind chill values right now, well, they're in the 30s, so not terrible. We're looking at a wind chill of about 48 in Pilot Mountain. But as I mentioned, in our mountain towns, we've got a cold weather advisory, and that is for wind chill values that are going to get down potentially below zero by tomorrow morning. So when you do have those high wind gusts and that cold air, it makes it feel a lot colder out there. So hypothermia, frostbite, those are risks. Make sure you're covering your exposed skin, bundle up with gloves, covering your face and your head. Wind chill value not an issue right now across Piedmont Triad, but we're looking at wind chills that will get down into the teens for the Triad tonight and tomorrow. Temperature right now 51 degrees in Greensboro as well as Lexington and Mocksville, 46 in Mount Airy and Wilkesboro. Here's where the cold air is coming from, single digits and teens plunging southward into the upper Midwest, and then yep, that cold air is going to continue to move south into the Carolinas later on tonight behind this front, which does have a narrow band of rain with it and the potential to bring some snow showers into our mountain communities. We had some early showers across parts of south central North Carolina, South Carolina. If you're in some of our southernmost communities, got some light amounts. That's all moved off to the east, and now we may see a stray shower kind of skip over the mountains into the foothills and Triad this evening, but it'll be very limited across our area. You can see the rainfall totals are less than 5/100ths of an inch for the most part from Burlington to Asheboro earlier today. And then, like I said, not really anticipating much rain between now and midnight east of the mountains, and it'll be a rain changing to snow scenario in our mountain communities as that air gets colder. Right now you're seeing at least a little bit of patchy light rain in some of the mountains. Potential snowfall totals will likely be an inch or less in most of our communities, but when we start to get into the higher elevations, you're talking about several inches in places like Banner Elk, Beech Mountain. Winds are really going to start to gust by early tomorrow morning. Wind gusts are 20 miles an hour in the Triad, 30 to 40 in our mountain communities, and then continuing through the day, strong gusty winds that maybe even pick up a little bit into tomorrow afternoon. So what does that make it feel like? We're going to have feels like temperatures in the teens in the Triad, especially early in the day. They may peak a little bit when we do reach our high, which will likely take place around noon. In the foothills, you're going to dress for teens as well tomorrow, even though we may get it up to 30 degrees with sunshine tomorrow. And in the mountains, we do have that cold weather advisory, and that is for wind chill values that may actually dip down below zero. Temperatures are going to largely be in the teens in the mountains heading into tomorrow. And then we are going to see a little bit of a warm up on Saturday, but notice how cold it is Friday morning, and then another blast of cold air into Sunday and early next week.